All right, those are just my waffle bowls. Next, we're coming in with our no-bake cheesecake. You guys know this is my favorite. We are doing a little camping hack, and we're gonna add some scoops to our waffle bowls just like so. We're gonna use this whole container for our 6 waffle bowls. It's gonna be so easy, so delicious, a no-bake treat that everyone will love. It's great for camping or just, a barbecue. You can do it all outside and not have to worry about turning on the oven on your warm summer day. Just even these out a little bit so that they're nice and full. Delicious. Next, we're coming in with some freshly cut strawberries. These are just strawberry slices that we are gonna place right on top of that cheesecake, just like so. We want a good amount of strawberry slices on each of these. Look how beautiful and vibrant these are. This is gonna just add the best fruity flavor to these easy little treats. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait any longer. I'm so happy that this is a no-bake treat because I am ready to eat these right now. And you can kind of top this with whatever berry you like. You could do a cherry, a blueberry, you could do any berry, a raspberry. That is the best part about this dessert. Everything goes with cheesecake, right?
Yeah, that's for sure. This looks delicious.
Okay, I'm gonna finish up the strawberries that I cut. This was like half a package of strawberries that I sliced up. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna move this slightly to the side and bring in our food processor. Open up our food processor just like so. I have some golden Oreos that we're gonna open up, and we're throwing about a few of these golden Oreos right in there. I think about 1 row of these Oreos should be plenty. Put our lid back on our food processor and chop this up. Okay, that seems about right. It doesn't need to be crumbs, just pieces. We're gonna add some freeze-dried strawberries into our food processor with those Oreos. Okay, we'll start with about half of that package. Ooh, look at that beautiful color it's creating. I'm gonna add a little bit more of those freeze-dried strawberries, and then this little crumb creation is gonna be ready.
Looks delicious.
Oh yeah. Okay, that is ready. Go ahead and take our food processor, put this away, and bring back our little cheesecake treats. I have a spoon here, and we are just gonna throw those crumbles right on top of our treats for an extra delicious crunch. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be incredible. Now, if you don't have a food processor because you're camping, you can just put it in a Ziploc and smash it. It'll get just the same effect.
You could do it before you go camping too.
Oh yeah, of course. That's a good idea. Okay, beautiful. Now, this is optional, but I have some Hershey's strawberry syrup. And we're just gonna, this comes out quick, so don't be surprised. Just do a nice little drizzle right on top. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. I personally love this strawberry syrup, so I'm going heavy-handed. But that looks gorgeous. We are almost done. We have one more thing, and that is our Ready Whip Extra Creamy. And there you have it. Oh my goodness, it is time to give this a try. I'm gonna get a big bite. So good.